Could you walk me through the pros and cons of doing it yourself radon mitigation system versus getting a professional to come and do that?
Yeah, absolutely. So a DIY mitigation can include sealing cracks and foundations, improving ventilations, and while these methods might reduce radon slightly, they rarely solve the problem entirely. So professional mitigation systems such as a sub-slab depressurization system like this are far more effective and guarantees long-term results. In Calgary, hiring a certified radon professional ensures that the job is done right the first time and you don't have to worry about this radon problem. The pros of using a professional is that you're hopefully getting the job done right. Now, the cons of doing it yourself as a DIY, you might not know exactly what you're doing. Now, since radon mitigation is not legislated right now and anybody can technically do it, you are at risk in Calgary of having a fly-by-night contractor come out there calling themselves a radon mitigator, installing a system, but not really understanding the fundamentals of what's actually happening and why they're doing it. I always ask that everybody check for certification before hiring a contractor. Make sure they're certified. There is a certified board out there right now, and any good contractor will be certified. As not just they have to be certified for testing and measurement as well as mitigation. So those are two separate certifications to have when it comes to radon. And you want to make sure that the job's done right. So I guess the cons would be like if you don't know or you're hiring someone that doesn't know, you might be spending a bunch of money but not actually getting the work done properly, and you might still be exposed to radon.